So as you can tell, this is day 2 of the Charlie's Nail Art Advent calendars. So I'm going to jump straight into it, and I'll do what I did last time. I will do the swatch off camera if it's like a foil or a glitter. So I had 2 of the calendars, and these are all brand new items. So I had the glitter one and I had the mixed one. So this is the day 2 from the mixed one. So yesterday we had a foil. So let's have a look. Ooh, oh, I absolutely love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that is, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it's holographic. Oh. Anyway, that's the first one. So this is the glitter one. So again, a brand new glitter. That is so pretty. Oh, I love these bags. These bags are gorgeous. So let's have a look. I'm not looking at it. You'll see it before me. Ooh. Oh, now that is nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. They're so pretty. Should we get this one out and quickly put it in a tray? I think we should. Really quickly. So don't forget these. You can purchase these today. So yeah. Get on over. Get on over. Go. Oh. Did everybody get a calendar? Because I know I had to. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, my. Wow. That is just... Oh, my. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh. Okay, right. I'm going to quickly do this one. I'm going to swatch both off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, that's these 2 swatched. So I'm going to do what I did last time to show you how much they sparkle when you put that top coat on. Wow. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, now that is pretty. So that's the first one, and then this is the holographic one. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this is the 2 new ones, the glitter calendar and the other one. Wow. So yeah, I will pop them in and cure them, but wow, they are stunning. So quickly head over, buy them quick. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Such beautiful glitters. So pretty. So these are the 2 new ones. Wow. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I love them. They are so pretty. Really pretty. Really nice. Okay, I'm just waiting for the lamp to finish. So as I said, I will post pictures at the end of the video like I did yesterday. And yeah, don't forget my discount code. If you place an order, you can save yourself a little bit of money. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on these 2 glitter mixes. So there you go. There you have it. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Just look. It's so pretty. Okay, right. I will add some pictures at the end. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Which one is your favourite? Do you prefer the holographic one? Do you prefer the chunky one? Or do you just love them both? Well, I will post pictures at the end. Please join me tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know any thoughts down below. So thank you everybody so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow.